Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook king crab legs. First, let's get those delicious legs ready. If your crab legs are frozen, it's best to thaw them slowly in the refrigerator overnight. This ensures even cooking. Once thawed, give them a quick rinse under cold water to remove any ice crystals or loose bits. You can also pre-cut the shells with kitchen shears now, making it much easier to enjoy the sweet meat later. There are several fantastic ways to cook king crab legs, each bringing out their best qualities. Steaming is a top choice, as it gently heats the crab, locking in its natural moisture and delicate flavor. Boiling is another popular and speedy method, perfect for getting them hot quickly. For a more hands-off approach, especially with a larger quantity, baking in the oven works wonderfully and evenly. Let's dive into the specifics for steaming and boiling. For steaming, place a steamer basket over about 2 inches of boiling water. Arrange the crab legs in the basket and steam for 5 to 7 minutes until thoroughly heated. If boiling, bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil. Add the crab legs and cook for just 3 to 5 minutes. Remember, the crab is already cooked, so you're simply reheating it. Baking is incredibly simple and delicious. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. You can brush the crab legs with a little melted butter and garlic for an extra flavor boost before placing them on a baking sheet. Bake for about 10 minutes, or until they are heated through. Serve your perfectly cooked king crab legs immediately with fresh lemon wedges and plenty of warm, melted butter for dipping. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.